Okay, last class we started with the Cucumber framework, right?
Mm-hmm.
So also I explained how to create a like in Cucumber, like how to create the steps, right? So first, what we have to do is we have to create the feature file.
Yeah.
Then we have to create something called as step definition.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have to create test runner to run
Mm-hmm.
the script. So three things we have to create.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll do one thing.
So when I went through that, the files that you sent, right?
Mhm.
The question files. So there, I saw a question like how to achieve DB testing in Selenium.
Mhm.
So we haven't covered that, right? The DB testing, we need to connect to the JDBC connectivity and all that.
In Cucumber,
No, 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 no. I'm asking Selenium. I saw this in the Selenium questions that you sent.
which one? Cucumber.
Not cucumber, selenium, selenium.
Okay. What do you want?
I am just asking, like in the selenium files that you send, right?
Mm-hmm.
In that, there was a question like how to achieve DB testing in selenium.
No, no, no. Like DB testing and all. If you want, you can learn actually.
Mm-hmm.
DB testing is something like you are checking for the like in database you are
Connectivity.
checking. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's
I'm just asking,
actually
like we didn't cover that, right?
no, no, no. That it won't come in Selenium. Like there are so many things are there actually.
Okay.
That is actually I given you the materials from some institute actually.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So DB testing and all, there are so many different testings and all is there actually. Many
Mm-hmm.
of the times, sometimes you will get to opportunity to work with that, and sometimes you won't in real time project
Okay.
also.
Okay.
And also, if you take JDBC is actually outdated now. Currently, we are
Okay.
not using any JDBC. We are using Hibernate and other ORM tools actually.
Okay.
Okay. I know there are few questions are there. It's basically uh, like you know database testing and all.
General questions which we must,
Yes, yes,
general
yes,
type
yes.
of questions. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mm,
And also there was a question like why do we create a reference variable driver of type web driver? Remember when we learned about this, that time I asked you like I used to write web driver equal to new Chrome driver, but when you wrote initially, you just wrote Chrome driver equal to new Chrome driver. Even that worked.
yes,
Remember
yes.
at that time I told, yeah. So, but the question is like similar to that one. Why are we creating a reference variable driver of type web driver? So, web driver is an instance, right? I mean, it's an interface, right? Sorry, it is an
Interface. Hmm.
yeah, so we create an object of web driver, right? And then we call like then we create the object like new Chrome driver or new Firefox driver, right? So actually, we are using this to launch a browser, right?
Yes,
Using
yes.
the Selenium web driver. So that is why we are creating this web driver object, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, yeah, because
Yes,
the
yes.
question was there. So whether the answer, whether this is the answer to be told, I was wondering. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Same thing, right? So we use WebDriver and that Firefox browser and all to launch browser only, right?
Okay. Yeah. Mhm.
Okay, actually, this cucumber is the right. Okay. So what? Like yesterday, I was talking about the cucumber. When
Mhm.
I was explaining about the cucumber, I told you like what is the main use of cucumber.
DDD.
So yeah, why we use means because like even non-technical user also, if they
Can
want
understand.
to know the flow actually,
Okay.
if they want to know the flow by using this cucumber framework, they're able to. understand the flow. Okay.
Flow. Okay.
Okay. See, everything is same. Okay. So
Uh-huh.
in Selenium, whatever we do, same thing here we will do. The one thing what we will do is we are creating a one feature file. In feature file, it's kind of a, it will be in kind of a English language.
Okay.
Okay. So that actually what it do when you run the um, when you run in with the Selenium. So for example, when you gone to login page, okay, login page is launched, then what will happen? Home page is displayed. So after that, in simply in logs, it will show you.
Okay.
Okay, that's all. But to achieve that, what we will do is first we have to create the feature file. In feature file, in English, we have to no in English we have to use something called a Jerkin language.
Mm-hmm.
In Jerkin, we are actually writing all this things. So here, what will happen for me actually? It, it having a lot of issues with the dependencies actually.
Okay.
So here we have to use all this, this one like Cucumber core we have to use.
Mm-hmm.
Cucumber HTML, Kuberita
One
code.
more thing, Tejesh, it doesn't have to be like every company has to use this Cucumber, right?
Yeah, it actually depends. Actually, it depends.
Okay.
Okay, but if you know as a test engineer, it will be good. Okay,
Yeah,
but
I
here,
can just say that I know, but I might not have used it in the work, right? That should also be fine, right? It's just
yes,
the
yes, yes,
knowledge.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. See, that is what. If
Mm-hmm.
sometimes, right, if
Mm-hmm.
anything, if they ask you, maybe for example, database testing or
Mm-hmm.
let's say
Mm-hmm.
unit testing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, like unit testing, like majority of the 90% of the times, it will be done by the developer.
Mm-hmm.
Very rare case you can see it can be done by the tester. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
anything. Okay, currently you asked me about JDBC, right? So
Mm-hmm.
JDBC database testing, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
there are few testings are there. You can directly tell that you haven't get the opportunity to work. But main thing
Mm-hmm.
as a test engineer, what you want is Selenium and a TestNG framework, and little
Mm-hmm.
bit knowledge about the Cucumber framework is fine. Apart from that,
Mm-hmm.
if they ask anything, you just tell them you are a quick learner, so that you are able to learn it. Any
Mm-hmm.
technology.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So like
Okay.
whatever, if they ask you something which you don't know, like you can directly
Mm-hmm.
tell. Even like experienced person also, if they ask some testing, okay,
Mm-hmm.
which they never
Mm-hmm.
get opportunity to work, they will directly tell, okay, I never get opportunity to work with the testing. If you
Yeah.
provided me that opportunity, I'm happy to learn. I'm a quick learner. Finish.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, just tell that. Okay, so we'll follow this tutorial actually.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, okay. So we have to download all this dependency, Cucumber Core, Cucumber HTML, all this. So if we see here, we added all this dependency files, right? We have to download. But here it's very difficult. There are so in Cucumber only so
But
many.
we can add the dependency also, right? For
Yeah, yeah,
this.
yeah. This is the old one, like
Yeah.
Java.
Yeah.
That
Yes. Yes.
we will try this. Okay, we'll try this example. So
This is like not a Maven project, the usual project where we add the jar
yeah,
files,
we add the
external
jar
jar files.
files.
Yeah.
Okay, so both are same only, but
Mm-hmm.
there we'll use something called as POM. POM will take
Yeah.
care of the dependencies, but here
Yes.
manually we are adding. Apart from that code,
Mm-hmm.
nothing will change.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so Cucumber with the Selenium. Next. Next, finish. Okay, so I created the project. Next, what we have to do is, okay, we have to add the dependencies. First one is Kubota. First, we'll add the files like Cucumber core. Okay, so Cucumber JVM core I'm downloading. So here versions, finding versions is also very difficult. If you see here, they are using in their project, they are using Cucumber Core 1.2.2, Cucumber Java 1.2.2, Cucumber JUnit 1.2.2. Like that, they used all this. Okay, so like that, Core Java JUnit JVM 1.2.2 they are used. So now what we will do is whatever we will add in our file, we'll make sure at least let's say 4.2.6. Then Java, Cucumber Java. Let's say here, what is that version? 4.2.6, right? 1.2.6. Then JUnit. JUnit. Okay, we'll do one thing. Let's download one by one. Cucumber Java. Okay, I'm just downloading the jar files. For JUnit, if you see here, there is no jar file download option here. So, okay. Other versions we have. I think 1.2.6 is not there. Other versions, I think you can download. Okay, so here, okay, it is there. JVM JUnit, JVM JUnit. Okay. Cucumber JVM Java. Cucumber JVM core is there. Let me download that. Core Java JUnit. Cucumber JUnit dependencies require. Okay. Cucumber JVM DPS. I'm downloading this one. Jerkin. Okay. Ham crust. HAM CREST. CREST. Okay. Crust. Crust. JUnit. Okay. Okay, so I have downloaded the dependencies here.
Okay.
Now, what I will do is I'm creating one folder. I will add all the dependencies here. ladder. Okay, fine. So next, what we have to do in the project? Okay, when you right click Java build path. So here in Java build path, we have to okay, so let's see, like when you right click, then we have to go to build path, configure build path. Okay, in configure build path, under module path only, right? Libraries. Okay, module path, add external jars. So I will go to my desktop. Yeah, so I will add open, apply and close. Okay, so if you see here, all my dependencies are here. Fine. Next, how to create a folder named features. Okay, so here right click, new folder, features, finish. Okay, the folder I have created. Next, I have to give my test dot feature. So create a feature file in features. Okay, so I will do that. My test feature. Here, right click, file, my test dot feature, finish. Okay, so my test feature is coming. Okay, see, we have to write the.
So the extension was feature, as you told us.
My test dot feature. Now what I will do is I am writing the feature file. Okay. So what will happen is retest the functionality in the login page of an application. So let me go to the site and I will explain you what we are doing actually here. Where is it? Here, yeah. Okay, so okay, I'm going to this site. Okay, so here I'm passing username, password, and I'm clicking on the reset button. That is what I'm doing here. Okay, user ID, password, reset. So to do that, what they've written in the feature file, if you see reset functionality on the login page of an application. Okay, so in this page we have to click the reset. Now scenario is verification of a reset button. Okay, so given open the Firefox and launch the application, when enter the username and password, then reset the credential. That's all.
Okay,
so everything is in English. Okay, so I'm just copying this. Okay, so I'm pasting here. If you see here,
yeah, it changed the color.
Yeah, feature file is there, reset functionality. Okay, okay, see, if you observe, given, when, then, these are all the what keywords. Okay, feature file will contain feature and scenario. Let's say like I am searching, let's say you are logging. Okay, login for an website. Okay, the feature will be something like that. Okay, testing the functionality of the login page. Scenario is log into the web page, something like that. It will be in the form of English.
Mhm.
Okay, so everything will be in English. Okay, given. Open the feature file and launch the application. When enter the username and password, reset the credentials. Okay, so now what I will do is I will run this feature file. Okay, so how to run the feature file? When you right click, okay, see here, run as
Mhm.
Cucumber feature.
Mhm.
Simply, okay, click on
Mhm.
the code, see run as Cucumber feature.
Mhm.
So could not load the main class API caused by class not found exception. Okay, so it is asking for a class. Okay.
So we need that the remaining Java class file also,
Yes, yes.
that which you told before, the step definition
Step definition and
and test runner.
test runner require.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. See, this is basically step definition. Okay, in step definition is very easy. See, open the Firefox and launch the application is there, right? So here, if you see,
Mhm.
open the
Mhm.
Firefox and launch the application. If you see, and next is enter the username and password. If you see,
So given, when, and then are the annotations here
yes, 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 yes. So step
in that file.
definition given, when, then. Reset the
Mhm.
credential. See here,
Yeah.
reset the credential. So everything is there. So here, okay. So under SRC, what they done is they created step definition one package
Mhm.
and test runner one package.
Mhm.
Okay. So now, okay. So I will create this runner and step definition. Two packages I will create under the SRC. Okay. So here I will create one package for what is the name they given? They given step definition. It should be step definition. Okay, one package I will create and another package is runner, I guess.
Test runner.
Test runner. Okay, I will create test runner. Test runner. I'm creating that step definition test runner. Okay, so now, okay, step definition. What I will do is I will create.
Steps class.
Yeah, so here class file. So the class name they given us
Steps.
steps finish. Okay, it is there. Now same thing, given, when, then. Okay, given, when, then. I am pasting here. Okay, given,
So
when,
what is the function that they have written? Oh, just the println statements. Okay.
print statements only. This is the step
Mm.
to open the Firefox application
Mhm.
and print step enter the username and password.
Oh, so
Next,
usually it will be like these messages only, it has to come in the log. So
that's
just
all.
the message only will be there actually. No other logic will be there.
Hmm.
Okay.
That's all. Okay, in the logs it will come. Okay,
Mm.
so now I will import. Okay, here two
Mm-hmm.
things are coming. Cucumber API.en. Okay, so we
Yeah,
want
they
to
have also imported, I think.
we have to go
We
for Cucumber API. Okay, so I will use the same thing.
okay.
Mm, here. Oh, the messages are deprecated, is it? Okay, I will, let's see. I will put like this only. Some of the times the messages will come like this, deprecated, but still it will work.
Oh,
If not work, then we will change.
okay.
Okay, this is created. Okay. Okay. So next we have to create step definition in the runner. Okay. So I think code is not there. We need to type, I guess. Oh, no, code is there. Okay. So here, this is the one. We have to create runner class. So here I am creating the runner class. Runner class. Finish. Okay. So here, see here, in runner class, I will import. Okay, I will use the same import. Okay. Oh, it is not coming. Okay, so for Cucumber options, it is not giving me Cucumber options. So for that, we need to find Cucumber options. Maven dependency, we need to search because that supporting file, it is not there. So if you see, when I click this, it is coming like that. Import is not coming. Okay. So
Yeah,
which
but
means
this is not a
dependencies.
Maven project, right?
Yeah. It is not a Maven project.
Oh, you are saying you need to find the jar file for this.
Yes, we need to find the jar file now.
Okay.
So for that, let me search. Okay. See options, Maven dependency. We'll go here. Cucumber Java. Cucumber Java 1.2.4. This one, Cucumber Java. But here
Okay.
we added, right, Cucumber Java.
Yeah,
It
that
is
was
there.
4.8.1.
Yeah, but okay, let's see. Because let's see. Model path, odd external jars.
So if we add like two Cucumber Java with different versions, will it have any conflicts? Do we have to remove one? No, right?
No, it won't actually, but still it is not supporting Cucumber options. They're telling it is there in Cucumber API, Cucumber options, Maven dependency. Okay, see, there is a Stack Overflow as well. Let's say Cucumber options cannot be resolved type, right? So in my test runner class on Cucumber, I'm getting error message saying Cucumber option cannot be resolved type. I'm using latest version of Eclipse Cucumber dependency. I tried every possible way installing Eclipse by lowering the Cucumber dependencies version. Okay, what is the problem? I met the same issue. Cucumber Java 1.2.2 is working fine for him, it seems. So a lot of people are telling we need to go for Cucumber Java 1.2.2. Okay. 1.2.4, 4.2.4, one is there. Okay, so we'll lower then what we will do is right click, then I will go to the, where is that, configure build path. Here this both I will remove, apply close. I will go for 1.2.2, right? So I will go for that version. This is the 1.2.2. So I will go and I will paste here Cucumber Java 1.2.2. Okay. Next, what I will do, I will right click, then go to build path, configure build path, add external jars, Java 1.2.2, open, apply. Okay, no errors. Cucumber options. Array, yeah, it is not coming.
Tejesh, do we have to skip this and go with something else, and then after you figure it out, do it tomorrow?
No. Actually, we need to add this option. Then only this will work. Actually, 2 minutes. Will
Yeah, but still we are. Oh,
no.
okay.
Okay. So just give me some minute. I will figure it out. This option worked well. Import Cucumber API JUnit and change the scope of the dependency at the compile level instead of. Because there's only one topic is left, Cucumber only. So okay, let's see we added any JUnit dependencies. JUnit. It is there. So this Cucumber option, this is some problem. See, if you see Cucumber API, JUnit Cucumber is coming. When I replace them with import Cucumber JUnit Cucumber, import, there is a result. Unfortunately, I'm getting new error when I run the JUnit. Okay, so I can import like that. API dot Cucumber dot API dot JUnit dot Cucumber options. Cucumber Java, Cucumber JUnit 5.2.0. So Cucumber Java, Cucumber JUnit. Cucumber Java is 1.2.2. Cucumber JUnit also, I will go for 1.2.2 only. Okay, so last we'll see, will it work or not? Because see here, if you observe, Cucumber Java, okay, Cucumber JUnit, what it is 5.2.0 they used. For them it is working. So for me, I've used Java 1.2, right? So I will go for Cucumber JUnit 1.2. It should work. That is what we'll try for last time. Cucumber JUnit. One dependency. We'll go here. What is that version? 1.2.2. Okay, 1.2.2 is here. Okay, go to jar file, save, copy, paste here, JUnit 1.2.2. Okay, so now right click, build path, configure build path. Here, add external jars, Java, JUnit 1.2.2, play, open, close. This is a Cucumber options itself, it is not coming. Apart from that, everything is coming. See? Okay, so is there any way to download this? See, I will tell you what will happen. See, they given when then, right? See here. See what they will do is in given open. Okay, open the Firefox and launch the application is there. So in this method, what they done is they given the web driver is equal to new Firefox driver, like that. Driver dot maximize, and they are going for this site. Okay, they're going for this site. Now what will happen? The Firefox will open, the browser will open, it will maximize, and what it will do, this site will get open. Okay, now what they done is enter username and password, right? So in enter username and password, what they done is driver find element by UID and send username 112 and password send keys. Okay, so here they went, and here this they got the inspect element. See here ProPath, if you see, what they done is to type text, name UID, right? So see here by name UID and password. Okay, send keys they are doing. Okay, so after that, what is there? So public void run like throwable, like driver dot find element. This is to click on the button. Okay, so that's all they have done. Okay, so this go to the site, find that that path and click on the button.
So this throwable is interface, throwable, like runnable interface.
No, this is just to handle the exception. That's all.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So to throw the exception, they use like that. Instead of that, you can give as usual exception like that also we can give.
Yeah.
Okay. See, now what will happen when you run the script? Okay, when you run the script, see the output come here like this. Okay. So in log, it will print like feature reset functionality on the login page first, scenario outline, like that. Just logs will print. Just logs it will print.
This is, they have shown to update that file, right? Feature file. Like that way they updated. So that is why I think, here we update the feature file like this way.
Yeah. So examples,
okay,
username, password, it is coming. See, nothing, it will just in the console, it will print the steps, that's all. Okay, so I will show you. See here, 1 minute. This I don't know dependencies. Let me close it. Hmm. See here. Here, what is happening is no, they're searching for a product. Okay, in Amazon. So search a product. So what will happen? I have a search field on Amazon page. When I search for product name Apple and price is 1,000, what will happen? The product with Apple Mac is displayed like that. Okay, so what he's doing is he go to the Amazon site. In the search site, he will search for Apple and its price. What will happen? Okay, if the product is there, that will display. Okay,
Yeah.
if you see, when I will run this feature file. When I run this feature file, wait. Here,
So this one is working, right?
this is working. 1 minute. Let me comment these lines. Okay. See here, I will just run the feature file. See what will happen when I run as. See what it will do is when you run this feature file, right? By default in the console, okay, it will give you the method by default. Methods.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that what I will do, I will go to the search here, and I will paste this. Okay, I will paste this. So now what I will do is I will just remove these lines.
But we couldn't run the feature file without this file earlier, right?
I mean the previous project.
Mm-hmm.
In previous project, there is a problem with the test runner. In that one annotation was not working. But in the previous
Yeah,
problem,
but if that worked, we just have to create those files and then we will get the code from the feature file, you're saying?
yes. So see here,
Yeah.
what I done is have just given this feature file. Okay.
Yeah,
So
but
when you
still we
just,
need the two other files with just the file, test runner and search def.
I didn't get you.
No, I am asking like you said, if we run this feature file, then in the console, the corresponding functions will be displayed,
Printed.
right? And you are just copying. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm saying, but still we will need at least those two files, right? Without any code, just the class files, the test runner and search def
Yeah.
for us to run the search feature file.
It is required. It is required.
Yes.
It is required. So now what I will do is I just copy pasted it. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So I just copy pasted this methods. Okay.
Yeah.
Now what I will do is I will just put some
Print statements.
print statement. So here step one I will print. Okay, step one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So in step one, finding the search button.
Mm-hmm.
Search button. Okay, finding the search button in Amazon. This is step one. Here I will give in step two. Okay, search for. I will use step two. Step two, finding the product. Finding the product in Amazon. Okay, so finally what will happen? The product will display, right?
Mm-hmm.
I will give step three. Step three, finding the product in Amazon. Okay, See, if you observe here, when you run this, okay, now I have given when and then, right? So now when you run the feature file, okay, let's see what will happen. Run as Cucumber. See, it will print the steps. Okay, step one, finding the search button in Amazon, finding the product in Amazon. So twice I have given the step three. Okay, so here
Display the product.
Product is displayed. Yeah, product is displayed like this. Let's see now. We'll go here. I will right click, run as Cucumber feature. Okay, so now it is printing, finding this one, product is displayed. Okay, so this is printing. Actually, this step definition is there. Sorry, test runner is there, right? So here what we will do is, this is nothing. It's just what we are doing is, see here. See what it will do is, it will tell, see features is there in where? Feature folder, right? See here, let's say here. Features is there in feature folder, right? See, that is what I have mentioned. Features is in feature, and we have something called as glue. Okay, glue means they're telling, it is the glue means we have a step definition, we have what? Step definition files, right? Okay, so if you give glue means you're telling step definition files in step definition folder. That's all we are telling. That's all that will be there in the test runner. Okay, so there might be chance that they will ask you what is glue in Cucumber framework. You tell the glue, actually it will tell the path for the step definition file. That's all. Okay, so in the sense, okay, now here what is now without test runner also it is running. Okay, see here, test runner I am not using. Here I am using what? The feature file and Java file I am using. Okay,
so
I think
there in your test runner file.
In test runner file, actually we will just give the path actually we are giving.
Yeah,
But here
we have not given, right?
Here we are not given, but still it is working. Why it is not working means the annotation is there, right? I don't know, maybe they removed or something because of that. If you see this too is there, right?
Yeah.
See,
but I'm thinking like this project worked for you, right? But then how did you add your dependency files, jar files in your system?
here I used in pom.xml.
Oh, okay.
This is the Maven project. Okay, so here I used 4.2.2 JUnit 4.3.0 4.3.0. It is working.
Okay.
But still, if you see, this is not working yet.
Oh yeah, okay.
This is not working. Still, it is not working. See here, Cucumber options are working. Previously, Cucumber options was deprecated. Now Cucumber class is not running.
Oh
hey,
yeah,
wait.
the other one.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see now. Yeah, Cucumber class is not working. But in previous project, Cucumber class is working. Okay. Maybe there might be chance something is removed. I think latest. Let me delete this at least. Okay, I will try like this. I will try.
Yeah. Because without this also it ran right in the other project.
Yeah, it is working. So features I will give here. In our case, that is com dot example dot feature feature feature. Okay, glue is it is there in com dot example.
Oh, but still the other files are in the normal Java file, right? That doesn't matter when this is a Maven project, right? The feature
Yeah,
file
that doesn't matter. It's just giving the path.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just giving the path. Okay, so Okay, it is printing actually. It is printing. Now we'll do one thing. Okay.
But this is actually printing the same file, right?
Yeah,
Ours
it
was
is
not
printing the
ours.
same file. Then we can do one thing. We
We
can
need to
go
run the other feature file actually, the
uh,
one which you created now.
this one class file.
No, no.
Okay.
Uh, which is the file that you created today? The feature file.
In the previous project.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah, steps.java, I am asking. Oh, but
mhm.
because of this error, it won't run. You're saying.
Yeah,
I
this is
was
not
thinking
working.
like, why don't we change the runner.java file with the other one? Because we use something, um, yeah, even without this, it worked for you, right? With other project. I think
Yeah,
you
in
only
Maven
need to
project it is
pass.
working actually.
Oh, in this one, it won't work.
Yeah, this one's it throwing the error for me.
I am asking like, why don't we just remove that at run with? Is that required at run with annotation?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, just comment that and then run means yeah. Run the steps dot java file steps dot
This one, right?
sorry yeah my test dot feature yeah.
Let me close this project. So, okay.
Yeah, that this
Now
is the
I
one which
will
we create.
run Cucumber feature. So it is telling
Oh,
could not find or
oh.
load the class. Something. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
some issues when you right click. Where is run as run configurations? See, my test feature is there. Still, it is not working.
But did we give that glue thing in the tester? I mean steps dot java.
No. Step.java, we having step definition, right? Test runner. Huh?
Where did we give that the glue thing that
This is
image
we will
file?
give it in the runner.
Yeah, that you haven't given, right?
But still, if you see, okay.
Oh, okay.
Here, Cucumber options itself a problem. Annotation.
Oh, yeah, if this statement worked, I think it might have worked.
It
Maybe.
will work, yeah. But maybe what will have that is what I was figuring out. Okay, maybe in the dependencies I am using here. If you see 1.2.2, I was using. Maybe if I replace with 4.2.2, maybe it will work. So that is what I was changing the dependencies every time.
Yeah, but when we looked at the that files, they told to go a version down. Actually, that is why we went with
Then what I did
1.2.
is I went for 1.2.2. But still
But
it was not working.
For Maven, I think it worked with 4.3.0, right?
Yeah, 4.2.0 it worked. Okay. So
Okay. So when you share the files, can you share the POM file, the which you have it
yes, I will share you full project.
working?
Full project I will
Okay.
share you.
Okay.
Okay, this I can
Okay, I
do.
will just try with that one, and if it
Yeah,
worked, I will just stop
you
there.
can do that.
Yeah, with that POM file.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here, let's see, will it work here in search? Okay. So here, what I will do is let me check whether I will give like I will give this.
So this is printed in the console means like just for the reports, this may be useful, right?
That's all. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
For the reports, nothing to do with anything. So
Mm-hmm.
end of the day, Selenium we use. Okay, we used to
Mm-hmm.
launch the browser. Nothing will change. Cucumber is kind of a reporting tool only.
Okay, okay.
So what it will do is, okay, if non-technical person will come and sit, he
Mm-hmm.
is also able to, if something went wrong, okay, if some of the step is wrong, okay,
Mm-hmm.
steps it will print it, and like what will happen? Obviously, it will throw in that some step.
Mm-hmm.
So to understanding, we are using the Cucumber. Not, that's all.
Mm-hmm.
let's see. Okay, now what I will do is WebDriver. Okay, so I will add Selenium in my project. Okay, in pom.xml. Selenium is not there. Okay, I added Selenium now. We'll add a few more all the dependencies required here. You will go to my like demo project like yesterday we are working in this project, right? Here I will go and I will add this WebDriver manager as well, dependency. That is also will add both Selenium and WebDriver manager. Okay, so okay, so what I did is I've created this, the Firefox browser. Let's see, will it work if it launch on it? Is some error? Okay.
So yeah, okay. You okay. We just use the driver to open that web page, right?
Yes.
That's the code. Okay.
See, it is working actually. Even if the runner class also, it is working. Simply wasted a lot of time.
It is working in the sense you ran the feature file now.
Yeah, I've run the feature file. Okay.
Yeah, but this is a Maven project.
Yeah, this is my Maven project. Okay. This is my Maven project. So what I'm telling is, that in test runner, even if you I have mentioned the path. Apart from then, I have nothing. Okay, so we will do one thing now. Okay, okay. This is the project, right? So where is it? This is the project we are doing previously.
Yes.
This one, right?
And the path that you mentioned in the test runner, was it the com dot? Can you show that file one more time?
Which
the
one?
test runner.
Yeah.
com.example.feature.
Feature. I'm telling my features are there in feature file. See here, com.example
the
feature.
package you have given.
Huh.
I can also give search. No, I cannot give search, right? Search.feature. That is the feature file name. Okay.
Yeah, this is the file name.
Okay.
Okay.
And in the glue, you gave that step definition, that thing maybe. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So now what I will do is, okay, so it is working actually. So what we can do is, see now what I will do first, the feature file, I'm copying this, okay. I'm copying this feature file. Now what I will do is, let me comment all this. We'll comment this. Okay. Now here, instead of this, I will paste this one. This one. Okay. Reset functionality.
Okay.
Okay. Now I will run this feature file.
So actually the method should be created.
Methods are coming now. Now what I will do, I will copy these methods. Okay. I'll copy this and I will paste here.
Okay.
Here. Now what I will do, I will delete this. I will delete this. I will delete this. Now what I will do, so here, if I scroll down, okay, same things, WebDriver. Okay, then this is if you remember, when we are doing with the Java, we used to do something like this, right? .exe,
I
like
remember.
that.
Yeah, I remember.
The old one.
The path.
The path. So what I will do is, I'll copy this.
Even when we are not using the WebDriver manager.
Yeah, that line will paste here because that is required.
Yeah.
Okay, it came. This one. This is, let me close the project. Okay, so now what will happen? Okay, to open the browser, okay, so I've given the steps. Okay, so Firefox maximum, go to this site. Okay, now enter the username and password. So here what I will do, see, I am finding the username and password both. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy and I will paste here. Okay, what is the error I'm getting? Okay, I need to import from the Selenium. Fine. So now, fine. Finally, what I will do, I will reset. I mean, click on the button, right? So that is what.
Basically, Selenium code we are writing inside the corresponding annotations that is needed in Cucumber.
Yes.
Which the method is automatically created when we run our feature file.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes,
so we
yes,
just
yes,
have to write that code. The similar thing only we did in TestNG also, like we wrote the Selenium code in the TestNG annotations, based on the annotations. That is okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
That's all.
So everything depends upon what the company wants us to do. Like if they ask us to write the Selenium in the in Cucumber means we go for that, like that.
Yes.
Okay.
Cucumber means, in Cucumber nothing. We'll create the feature file. We will have the step definition. We'll have the runner classes there. That's all.
Yeah.
Okay. Three steps we have to follow. But in Cucumber we are writing the Selenium code.
Cucumber, we are writing the Selenium.
Ah,
We
Selenium
are
code.
writing it in the Selenium step definition. Yeah.
In step definition,
Okay.
we have the Selenium code. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So now let's run it.
And in this project, we always have to run using our feature file, not
Feature.
in any of the Java class. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. In the background it is coming. Is it okay? Let me close all the browser. Okay. Let me if I run it. The browser is launched. Yeah. Actually, we are not given thread, right? See, it clicked on the reset button.
Oh, this was for reset, but I think you sent the send keys, right?
That actually came. I haven't given the thread. Thread. I think
okay.
we'll see. It came actually
Maybe.
very fast. It went off.
Yeah. Okay.
So I will
Okay,
give
inside
thread
that function if we give. Okay.
dot sleep. I will give some
2000. Okay.
Okay, let's see now. See, added username 123. See, reset.
Yeah. Yes.
It is working.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I finally figured it out. 4.2.2 is working.
No, you said 4.
Yeah. This one. Cucumber 4.2.2. JNet 4.3.0.
4.3.0. Oh, the other one is different. Okay, 4.2.2.
Yeah.
One is 4.3 and one is, each one is different actually.
Each one is different. I think 4 version will work.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so I wasted a lot of time with that. Okay, maybe this is very old, right? The site. I was trying. They're using.
And what will happen if any of these functions inside this throws an error? That anyway we will have to write inside try catcher to see what will happen if any error happens.
Which one?
Like we just have written this and it worked fine, but I'm asking like if something like send keys or anything doesn't work, then if we wanted to handle that, we have to write it inside the try catch, right? As usual. If like send keys username 12 or password, it doesn't work. The keys is different or anything like that.
You're asking me
Or
like,
maybe
what if the test case got failed? Huh?
Yeah, maybe like the UID is not there, but that what was that error? No
Okay.
such element found or something.
Okay.
If that comes, that will only come, right? Or we do.
We'll see. Now, what I will do is I will give wrong one. Okay, I will give wrong.
Yes. Yeah.
Let's see the cucumber behavior. Okay. We'll do one thing. For passwords, I will give wrong. Okay. We'll see.
Okay.
Okay. Let me run it. Cucumber feature. Okay, username is added. Okay. See here, password didn't added and nothing is working. We'll go and check in the console.
Something
Mm,
failed. It shows, I think. Down.
see here, it stopped. See here, scenario verification reset button given is working. See, when I enter user and password,
Mm-hmm.
see here, and also see unable to locate the, see how neatly it is telling.
That we gave.
See, if you observe with the selenium and all, what happened is it was simply throwing no such error, something was.
No such element exception will be.
But see here, see the code here, unable to locate the element, neatly it is telling. We never get this kind of log.
Yeah, but I am asking,
Hmm.
did we give that command inside when or anything? No, right? It gave it by itself, right? The cucumber, or did you
Hmm.
write that unable to locate element? No, right?
No, I
Okay,
haven't
okay,
given. So
okay,
that is what I
okay.
am telling.
Yeah, yeah,
So
okay.
it is clearly it is telling.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the use. Okay, and also see, given
Yeah,
open
yeah.
the browser
Sure.
is launched, when username and password is here in this
Mhm.
step, it is wrong.
So we know that it is inside the when method, that I mean when
Hmm.
annotation, that it went wrong at least.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
and
yes,
yeah,
yes.
here there is, I think, 3 steps and one failed something.
Hmm.
It went.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
2 steps it went. This one it
Mm-hmm.
went. Open the browser it went. It stopped
Mm-hmm.
here.
Mm-hmm.
Enter username
So
and
then
password.
also didn't work. Then
Then
didn't
also
work.
didn't work. It stopped here. See
Yeah.
here, 1, 2. Given when
Mm-hmm.
is there, then is not there.
Mm. Yes.
It stopped, and also it is neatly it is telling unable to locate this element.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
That's all. Yeah, that's all the this one use of the cucumber.
Okay. 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 Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Okay. I think we are done for today, right? Anyway.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah. Okay. So
Okay.
you will share, right, the
Yeah,
file.
project file I will share with you.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so when you have free time, just run this project and check.
Yeah. Yeah. I need. Yeah. I will
Maybe do
once
one
read that.
thing. In internet, there will be separate things, right? So feature file. Copy that code here. I mean feature file.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. In internet. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So in internet,
Mm-hmm.
search for some feature file and paste
Yes.
here
Yes.
and run it.
Uh-huh.
The methods you will get here.
Yes. Got it. Yeah. Yeah.
That
Yeah.
method you
Mm-hmm.
put it in the step definition.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Sure.
There you
Yeah.
start writing the code. Okay. Try with
Mm-hmm.
the other
Yeah.
example.
Yes. 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 Yeah.
Okay.
Only
So
thing is, I need to get that corresponding dependency working. I
yes,
mean,
yes, yes.
instead
Dependencies
of
should
just that
work
form.
because
Yeah.
if you see previous version 1.2.2, it was not working.
Mm-hmm.
And also if you see in internet, if you keep on digging now, they will tell so many solutions. But that is
Yes.
a
Yes.
good
That is
thing.
why I don't want to waste time on it. I will
uh,
just go with your XML file, pom.xml, and then make the changes that I require. So
yes,
if
you can do
anyway
that.
your pom.xml worked, right, so I will just
Yeah,
stick on to that. Yeah.
yeah, you can do that. No, why
Yeah. Yeah.
I no, I know I have the solution. Why I keep on digging means because I just want to show you how to resolve the issues.
Yeah. 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 I understand. But
That's why I was like,
lack of time, I don't want to now, right now do
yeah,
that.
yeah,
I
yeah.
will do later, maybe after. Like.
Yeah. Because what will happen when you gone through that site, right?
Uh-huh.
In real time project also, what will happen? Definitely, no, you will get errors.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. That time anyway, we will have to sit
Yeah, you
and
need
then.
to do that research. If you have that skills, right? That research
Mhm.
skills, you are
It will
almost
be. Yeah.
uh, yeah, it is very useful actually. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So yeah, like tomorrow, like
Okay.
we'll see if I anything if I missed it in Cucumber, we'll go through it.
Okay. Uh-huh. And
And what
tomorrow
else you want
we
in last class? Like
we can cover. I will try to go through some of the questions too, and overall, can you just tell me like important questions or something, like just
sure.
15
I will do
or
that.
20
Yeah,
minutes?
we'll do one thing. Maybe if anything left in the Cucumber, we'll go through it.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, what I will do is I will just open the FAQs. Okay.
What is it?
FAQs means are the frequently asked
Oh yeah,
question.
frequently asked questions. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Uh-huh.
That
FAQs.
folder, and if something like missing or something, we'll just discuss about the questions. Okay.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, we'll see tomorrow.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. See
Bye.
you tomorrow. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Yeah.